Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you the John Deere skid steer, the toy version of a 318D. Mostly made out of metal. The cab is plastic, but that's okay. Good detail on it. Muffler, lights, John Deere symbol. Some reflectors here. I think those are reflectors. I don't know if those are actually lights or reflectors. Goes up in the air quite nicely. The bucket tips nice and flat for you. Or, excuse me, not flat, but so it dumps your load out very nicely. Get the lights in the front. The step here and the step there. Got the joysticks in there. You can't see it, unfortunately, but there's a John Deere symbol on the seat. That's plastic too, but do not see a safety ball in this one. But obviously the real skid steer has one. Yeah, but that's the John Deere 318D. And I have a video of this one out there already, but I don't know if I named it Goofy or what's going on, but I just thought I'd do this one again and see if this video will do better. So that's why there's two of them out there, guys. But I'll see you next time.